Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. Look, our plant's chlorosis problem is fixed. The ones who didn't see the chlorosis video and how to fix it can go and watch that video. Although Delhi's temperature is very high, like 44 to 45 degrees Celsius, our plants are still very healthy. As you know, for this organic garden, we create homemade pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizers for our garden. Okay, so today's video is about another homemade fertilizer. And this fertilizer can be made by leftover rice. Moreover, the most alarming figure revealed is that approximately 4,500 children die every day under the age of 5 years in our country. And this death is due to hunger and malnutrition. So, wasting food is a very bad thing to do. But still, sometimes our food still gets spoiled. And this time the most challenging thing is to reduce waste and save the environment. So my mom uses leftover spoiled rice for our fertilizer. Well, rice is a food item which makes it an excellent compost material. That way, it can provide nutrients for you and also your plants and the soil. So, you can add your leftover rice in your composting bin. But my mom is not gonna give the leftover rice in the composting bin. She directly gives it to the soil. First, dig the soil, then make a channel apart from the plant. Put your leftover rice and then cover it with soil. Rice can harbor bacteria in your soil, and in this case, it is not necessary the type of bacteria you want. The bacteria may spread to your soil and homegrown plants if you use the compost materials to fertilize your plants. Another problem is that if you use cooked rice in a composting bin, that could attract rodents like rats and insects. Your leftover of fresh rice will serve your plants and soil properly with the right methods. In this way, you can reduce your waste, use your leftover rice, and save the environment. this method in any kind of your potted plants, fruits, flowers and vegetables. Your leftover rice will transfer into a fertilizer within 1 month. We have already uploaded a lot of videos about homemade fertilizer, so you can go and watch those videos. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.